Are you not able to locate the exact replacement part for your SJE Rhombus pump? We can find it for you. Connect with us at Pump Products to find the ideal pump solution for your SJE Rhombus pump. Our vast collection of genuine pump parts and repair kits allows us to solve every pump-related problem. SJE Rhombus has been a leading manufacturer of pump control panels, alarm systems, level monitoring solutions, float switches, and more for over 40 years. SJE products are known to be reliable, easy to use, and of high quality. We at Pump Products are master stocking distributors and are able to give you the correct repair parts which lead to high performance and long life of your pumps. Browse through our online SJE Rhombus catalog to place your orders. The model numbers and description for each part are clearly given so that your search becomes very easy. Pump Products is a leading SJE Rhombus pumps online pump repair parts dealer, servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy the repair parts direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Need it now? We offer fast shipping, with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to SJE Rhombus pumps and parts. Visit us at www.pumpproducts.com or call our toll-free number today at 1-800-429-0800.